Our 3-month trip out west, and on our way home, we stopped at an Army Corps of Engineer campground called Rock Creek Park in 𝗵𝗂𝗏, Kansas for a couple of nights. This campground is in the northeast corner of Kansas and is on Perry Lake. This is a very nice campground, so check it out. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our 𝗣𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗦 and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
Turn right on 46th Street, then take the first left.
This ain't 46th Street, is it? I guess it is.
Yeah.
Turn left on Rock Creek Park, then take the first right.
That's correct.
Now I take a left here, huh?
Correct.
Oh, really?
Correct. And then a right.
Oh, really?
Turn right on Rock Creek Park.
Swell. Oh, this isn't going to be
I
okay.
think you're getting a little rough. Yeah. Oh, wonderful. Yes, so.
Army Corps of Engineer campgrounds are usually off the beaten path and tucked away from the highway, as they are usually along a waterway that they control. We like that because they are quiet, being away from the highway, and have wonderful lake views. Not only that, they usually have really nice sights where you're not on top of each other. This is one of the longest back road trips we have ever taken to get to a campground, so we're going to speed through this. Now this is all about the twisty around the lake till you get there.
Yeah.
Pretty lake.
Yeah.
In 1¼ miles, arrive at Rock Creek.
It's like driving through the mountains on the twisties.
Yeah. I see campers now.
I see campers.
In 1/2 mile, arrive at Rock Creek.
Amazing how these Army Corps have these long roads to get to some of them.
In 300 feet, arrive at Rock Creek.
Okay. Should be an
Where the fuck
entrance.
is Peninsula?
Right there is an entrance. To get in, I guess. Okay, you're going to go up by the playground and hang a left.
Oh, we're supposed to turn there?
Well, I can't tell you that this map is correct, so probably.
Yeah. It says one way.
Maybe it loops you around.
What does that mean?
It's a huge loop that goes to the right and to the left. It's like a big figure 8.
Does it?
Yeah, so you're going to go this way and then come back around. I mean, they don't have signage.
No. They shut it down.
They don't have a host.
I saw some guy in a little golf cart cruising around.
I don't know how you get there from here. Maybe this guy can help us out. Hi, we need your help. Park a volunteer. Yeah, there you go.
I'm looking. 52.
Around the bend over there. It's tied up in there.
Oh, great.
Yeah, you do.
What do you say, it's tied up in there? Supposed to be 100 foot long. Yeah, 52 with other park.
Well, we are definitely going to stink up this guy's show.
Let me see if anybody's going to be in there. Okay, that's number 54.
Now we're in,
We are?
I think.
Oh,
But we can't detach.
let me go see what's going on. Get a walkie-talkie and all that crap.
We'll sit. We'll be okay.
This is at Rock Creek Park in Perry, Kansas. Got water on one side and water on the other side. This is like a figure eight kind of setup, but the parking is just down here in the middle. This is supposed to be a 100-foot site, but as you can see, we have to share a driveway with a neighbor here and with the pull through next door, so really wasn't 100 feet, but Zippy could have fit right here, and the bikes could have fit next to Leroy up there. So if we were staying for more than 2 nights, could have easily had everything fit in here. And if we wanted to, we could have turned around so that the entrance was to the water on the other side there, but a lot of sun on that side, and then we would have to have run the water and the electric power underneath the coach. This is just easier. Only here for 2 nights. Nice park though. No host here. They do have a volunteer that can assist you to some respect, but there is no host here, so you have to make your reservations in advance and you just go to your site. But they don't have numbers saying like 40 to 50 this way or 1 to 20 this way. We had to try to figure out from the map, which wasn't quite accurate. Rock Creek Campground offers 80 campsites plus some primitive camping. This Army Corps of Engineer campground is open May 1st through September 30th, and campsites can be reserved up to 6 months in advance. They offer 30 and 50 amp sites, and they have water hookups, and they're $22 or $24. Non-electric primitive campsites are $16 per night. If you have the America the Beautiful Senior Pass card, you can get the sites for 50% off. They also have a dump station as well. Perry Lake Dam was completed in 1969 to help with flood control for the Missouri and Mississippi rivers. Today, the lake boasts 159 miles of shoreline and 12,000 surface acres of water, creating countless recreational activities for visitors and earning it the nickname Paradise on the Plains. The campground is surrounded by the lake on one side and a dense canopy of forest on the other. Perry Lake has a reputation for being one of the best boating lakes in the region and also offers excellent fishing. The area also has approximately 27,000 acres of public land dedicated to wildlife management. A scenic road follows the shoreline along the length of the campground, offering sweeping views of the lake. Activities include hiking, fishing, camping, boating, and biking. The amenities include a playground, showers, electricity and water hookups, and water spigots. For hikers, the nearby 29-mile Perry Lake Loop Trail offers a range of terrain. Perry Lake is a short drive from Lawrence, Topeka, and Kansas City, each offering their own array of unique shopping, dining, and attractions. Things you need to know: the park entrance gates are closed and locked Friday and Saturday from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. One-way tire spikes allow traffic to exit but not enter. Quiet hours are from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. All pets must be kept on a 6-foot leash when outside. All vehicles must remain on paved or graveled surfaces. Parking vehicles on the grass is prohibited, except boat trailers may be parked on the grass adjacent to your campsite. No ATVs, golf carts, or other battery-operated vehicles can be operated in the park. Dead and down wood may be used for firewood. Cutting of standing trees, limbs, or bushes prohibited. Operation of a chainsaw is prohibited. Hand tools are allowed. Firewood from outside the area is not permitted. Fires must be confined to fire rings provided by the Army Corps of Engineers. Check-in is at 5 p.m. and check-out is at 4 p.m. Camping is limited to 14 days on a site. Campers must vacate the site for 24 hours prior to returning. The campers may move to a different loop in the campground during that time. This campground has a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars with over 100 reviews. The mobile coverage was fairly good in this area. Just one more thing. There is a better way in and out to this campground besides going through that little short road that had all the trees hanging down that the GPS sent us down.
Turn left on Rock Creek Park, then take the first right.
This is that road that we came down. We're going to keep going straight instead.
There it goes. Sharp curve.
Turn left on Kansas 237.
This ain't bad. Oh, hell, this is easy.
1.5 miles. Turn left on US 24.
So when we came down the red, where the yellow is where all those trees were. Coming back, went by way of the green. So don't follow your GPS if they try to cut you through a shortcut there. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.